popped up in his life, he did not let the mountain intimidate him. He started talking to it. That's what Jesus said you are to do in Mark chapter 11. Whosoever shall say to this mountain, be removed and cast into the sea, and not doubt in his heart, but believe that the things that he says will come to pass, he shall have whatever he says. Talk to the mountain. And Zerubbabel said, who are you, O mountain? Identify yourself. Tell me who you are. He said, because by the time God gets through with you, you're going to become a smooth plain. And I don't know who I'm preaching to today. I feel you tugging on my heart. But you started out and God started the miracle, and now you're facing a frustrating mountain that says, give up, it's not going to happen. You've tried before and failed, and you need to just throw in the towel. But I've come to remind you that you serve a God who doesn't just give you saving grace. Listen, he doesn't just give you justifying grace. He doesn't just give you teaching grace, but he has given you enabling grace. And when he gets through with that mountain, it's going to become a smooth plain. Somebody's about to get things smooth out in your life. If you believe it, give God a shout of praise right where you are and say, thank you for enabling grace. Grace that smooths the mountain out. Turn to somebody and say, things are about to smooth out for you.